Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be explaining exactly how student loans work in the UK. Now by the end of this video you're going to understand everything you need to know about student loans, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss any important details. So to start with, what is a student loan? A student loan in the UK is a form of financial assistance provided to students to help them cover the costs of post-secondary education. These loans are typically offered by the government and are designed to help students who would otherwise struggle to afford higher education. So what are the different types of student loans? In the UK, there are two main types of student loans. To start with, tuition fee loan. This loan covers the cost of university tuition fees. The amount is set by the university and the loan is paid directly to them. Then you have a maintenance loan. This loan is intended to cover living costs while studying, but it's only offered to full-time students. Additionally, the repayment plan for these loans depends on when you started your course and what type of course you studied. There are currently 4 types of student loan plans in operation, and you can read them on screen now. Each plan has different terms for interest rates and repayment thresholds. So how do we qualify? To qualify for a student loan, you must meet the following criteria: university or college. This should be a university, college or other institution that offers a qualifying course. And for your course, it should be in the UK and be one of the following. Also, the course intensity. If you're studying part-time, your course needs a course intensity of 25% or more for you to be eligible for student finance. Also, your nationality or residency status. You must be a UK or EU national, or from Iceland, Norway, Switzerland or Liechtenstein, or have a settled status in the UK. And finally, you must have a previous higher education course. You'll usually only get student finance if you're doing your first higher education qualification. So what are the main benefits of a student loan in the UK? Start with tuition fee coverage. Most people are entitled to the tuition fee element, which is equal to the annual cost of your course up to £9,250 per year, capped until the academic year 2024 to 2025. There's also living cost coverage. The maintenance loan is intended to cover accommodation, food, books, and any other equipment you need. It is means tested, so the amount you get depends on your family's household income. And finally, there's income-based repayments. Your repayments are based on your income, not how much you borrowed. You repay 9% of your income above the repayment threshold for your plan type. If you're not working or your income is below the threshold, you won't make any repayments. So what are the main disadvantages? To start with, there's long-term debt. Student loans carry interest, which means the loan amount will keep accumulating until it starts being repaid. This can lead to long periods of debt. Also, the repayment period. The changes in student finance in England mean that students who enrol in 2023 to 2024 will have to make repayments for 40 years rather than 30 under the student loan system that has been in place since 2012. There's also lower repayment threshold. The government's move to lower the repayment threshold from its current rate of £27,000 to £25,000 mean that graduates must use 9% of their income to repay loans once they start earning over this amount. There's also increased lifetime repayments. The lifetime repayments of a graduate in 2023 to 2024 earning £22,000 in current prices with projected lifetime earnings of £850,000 would rise by 150% from just below £9,700 to £24,000. So this has been my video explaining how student loans work in the United Kingdom. Hopefully now that you've watched this video you have a good understanding of how they work and you can use some of this knowledge to assist you in getting your student loan. Thanks for watching, I hope you found this video helpful.